Hi there, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm going to show you in 2 minutes or less how to set up your Lightner electronic hook switch for Cisco phones to enable remote answering for your Lightner Office Ally wireless headset. First, remove the headset from the charging base and set it to the side. Then, we're going to flip the base over to the bottom, disconnect the power, and take a peek at the switches on the bottom here. We want to make sure that our switch on the left is set to RHL and our slider on the right is slid down to number 4. Then we're going to go to our hook switch and look at our two different ends. One end will be a RJ45 and the other will be a thinner RJ9. We'll take that thicker RJ45 and we're going to plug that into the AUX port marked with silver on the back of the Lightner. Now let's take our connector cord that came with the Lightner, should be the cord that has a green piece of tape on it. We're going to plug one end of that into the green phone port in the back of your Lightner base. Now let's take a look at where we go on the Cisco phone. Move over to your Cisco phone and remove the handset receiver to get it out of your way before turning that phone around to look at the ports on the back. On the back here, we want to find a port marked with a headset icon, which is where we're going to connect the other end of that Lightner connector cord that's coming from the green phone port on your Lightner. Then find the AUX port on the back of your Cisco, and then we will take the other end of your Lightner electronic hook switch for Cisco phones, and we're going to plug that end into this AUX port on the back of the Cisco. Voila! At this point, all we need to do is return your power cord to the back of the Lightner charging base, pop your headset back on your base, and get ready to start taking some calls. There you go. You're now ready to rock and roll with your Lightner Office Ally wireless headset and Cisco electronic hook switch. And of course, if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.